Purpose: Asana, primarily a project management tool designed to help teams to organize tasks, collaborate, and track project progress. It focuses on task management, timelines, and team communication. Notion, a versatile all-in-one workspace that allows users to create databases, documents, wikis, task lists, and more. It combines note-taking, project management, and knowledge management in one platform. Task management: Asana offers a user-friendly interface for creating and organizing tasks, setting deadlines, assigning responsibilities, and tracking progress. It provides various views, lists like board, timeline, and calendar to manage tasks efficiently. Notion provides task management capabilities with flexibility. Users can create customizable databases and Kanban boards to manage tasks. Notion allows users to design task lists and boards according to their preferences. Collaboration and communication: Asana focuses on team collaboration with features like comments, file attachments, task assignments, and project discussions. It's designed to enhance team communication and visibility into project workflows. Notion offers collaborative features by allowing users to share and collaborate on documents, databases, and pages. It's flexible in terms of organizing and sharing information within a team or across different projects. Organization and structure: Asana provides a structured approach to project management with task lists, projects, sessions, and subtasks. It's streamlined for managing tasks within specific projects and across teams. Notion offers a flexible structure with customizable pages, databases, boards, and templates. Users can create their organizational systems to fit their unique workflows and preferences. Knowledge management: Asana primarily focused on project and task management rather than serving as a comprehensive knowledge management tool. It might integrate other tools for documentation purposes. Notion, known for its robust knowledge management capabilities, allowing users to create and organize documentation, wikis, notes, and knowledge bases alongside project management functionalities. Ease of use: Asana provides user-friendly interface with a clear focus on task and project management. It's relatively easy to get started and navigate. Notion offers powerful features but may have steeper learning curve due to its versatility and customization options. Users may need time to explore and set up the workplace according to their preferences. Pricing: Asana offers both free and paid plans, with additional features in the premium plans. Pricing is based on the number of users and additional functionalities. Notion has a freemium model with a limited time plan, with a limited free plan, and a paid subscription for more features and increased storage capacity.